Hello, this is Brian from the iBuildStore. Today we're just doing a quick tutorial on how to order your handrails online. Simply in Shop, go to Handrail. We have many standard options to choose from. So for today we're just going to do a HR39, which is a contemporary square rail. So it works on millimeter lengths. I would recommend that if we're sending it to you and you're not picking it up yourself, the option is to get the exact length that you're after, give or take what you want to cut off each end. If you want 2 at 2 meters, don't buy 1 at 4, buy 2 at 2 meters. The reason for that is that it is quite expensive to send long lengths over a great distance, so keep it to what you need and your freight will actually be a lot cheaper. If you do want to change your rail during the style, you can just click on here. It goes back to this option of picking which handrail you're after. So you can order many types of handrails and add them to your cart as you go. Timbers, we do all types of timbers for you, pine, maple, all the way up to your brush boxes and grey iron barks. So for this one we'll do a maple handrail. This groove type here is important to note that if you're doing a baluster, say it's a 32mm baluster, we do groove your rail for you, and we include the fillet. That'll be included in your handrail, so you don't have to buy that. That's included in the price. So if you're doing again a 12mm square stainless steel baluster, then the groove will be done in the rail and the fillet will be fitted and inside your rail when you receive it. So once you've got your length, add it to the cart. So again, if you needed another piece at 1 meter, simply put in 1000mm, add it to the cart, and so on and so forth. You can see you're building your cart up here with all the pieces of timber that you need. Any other questions, or you have a handrail that's not one of our standards, give us a call. The office number here is 1300 223 456, or email directly at sales@ibuild.com.au.